Uh, Good morning to everyone. Today's topic of discussion that is elementary quantum mechanics from physical chemistry. First, the concept of elementary quantum mechanics that is the black body radiations. So, first, all of you want to know that why black body radiation is important and what is black body. So, first, the motivation that is why black body radiation is important. The black body is importance in thermal radiation theory and practice. The ideal black body is importance in studying thermal radiations and electromagnetic radiations transfer in all wavelength bands. The black body is used as a standard with which the absorption of real bodies is compared. Next, so now we are going to see the definition of black body. So what is definition of black body and what is black body? So black body is nothing but it is the ideal body which allows the whole of the incident radiation to pass into itself without reflecting the energy and absorb within itself. This property is valid for radiations corresponding to all wavelengths and to all angle of incidence. Therefore, the black body is an ideal absorber of incident radiations. So there are some laws of black body radiations. So first law, which is says by Rayleigh and Jeans law. The Rayleigh and Jeans laws state that it agrees with experimental measurement for long wavelength. It predicts an energy output that diverges towards infinity as wavelength grows smaller. The failure has become known as the ultraviolet catastrophe. So next one law of black body radiation. So black body radiations law second, that is nothing but Planck's law. So Planck scientists who state that there are two forms. First one is the as a function of wavelength, second one is the as a function of frequency. By calculating wavelength and frequency, that Planck's derived an expression that you can see here, and here is two graphs of Planck's radiation law. And lastly, Planck state that the Planck's law gives a distribution that peaks at certain wavelength. The peaks shift to shorter wavelength for higher temperature and the area under the curve grows rapidly with increasing temperature. Now we are going to discussing application of black body. See the application of black body, that is our earth. The area of earth is as viewed from space, that is nothing but area is equal to pi r square. The total energy incident on earth is incident energy, that is pi r square bracket s function. So all these are the applications of black body. And now we are come to conclusion of black body radiations. As the temperature increases, the peak wavelength emitted by the black body decreases. That is, temperature and black body wavelength that are the inversely proportional to each other. And as temperature increases, the total energy emitted increases. That is, if we will increases temperature, then there will be increasing of immediate energy. These are the directly proportional to each other because the total area under the curve increases. The curve gets infinitely close to the x-axis but never touches it. Summary: a black body is a theoretical object that absorbs 100% of the radiation that hits on it. Therefore, it reflects no radiation and appears perfectly black. Roughly, we can say that the stars radiate like black body radiators. This is important because it means that we can use the theory for black body radiators to infer things about stars. At a particular temperature, the black body would emit the maximum amount of energy possible for that temperature. Black body radiation does not depend on the type of object emitted it. Entire spectrum of black body radiations depend on only on parameter, that is nothing but temperature. So this is concept of black body radiations.